Hey everyone, so here's a quick overview of FOTORAMA app. I just upgraded and wanted to show you the quality of the photos, should you upgrade and all of that. This app is one of the best ones for AI portraits, AI photo generated images. Yeah, so there you have it. Welcome to FOTORAMA, your gateway to endless photographic creativity. An AI photo generator takes your daily photos and elevates them into professionally crafted visuals. With FOTORAMA AI photo generator, experience the ease of creating stunning headshots, nostalgic 19th yearbook photos, whimsical Halloween concepts, and breezy summer vibes right from your smartphone. FOTORAMA is not just an app, it's a personal AI-powered photo studio that transforms ordinary into extraordinary. It is just a tap. So some trendy FOTORAMA AI styles. And yeah, you have those. And then basically to use this app, you will need to upgrade. Unfortunately, there is no free version. And also if you want to generate your AI portrait, you can't do a one-time purchase. You need to still subscribe. You can subscribe for a week. That works, or you can just also opt out for a year. That's much cheaper, but it just depends how often do you want to use the app. So yeah, how it works. Basically, you need to just install the app, and then you need to create your AI model. How it works, this is just basically you need to upload 8 to 12 selfies and follow the instructions. And I need to say that this app is super strict towards these instructions. So if it says that there should be like different 8 selfies, different lighting, different facial expressions, just only your face, not your friend's face, yeah, it's like super strict. And if you upload just same or almost same like 8 selfies, it's not gonna allow you to continue. Let me show you what I mean. So I just uploaded, just similar selfies. I didn't have 8 different selfies. And then it just says invalid photo. And if the photo is not like good, it can just say the face in the photo is either too far away or too close. It can say that, or it can say that, hey, like the face in the photo is too similar to other ones. So all kind of stuff. And it took me like 30 minutes. Literally, I needed to go out and take different selfies on the street, in the apartment, everywhere, because I didn't have, just on this phone, like different selfies in different face expressions. So this is the thing you need to know, that even after you upgrade it, it can take you some time to generate this AI model. And then after it can take you it says like up to 1 hour to create this AI model. For me, it took like 10-15 minutes. Then you receive notification that AI model is created. So you have that. And then what you need to do here, you just have different styles. Of course, you just select your gender. And then, basically you can just select all the different styles you want to create. So then you just, okay, let's create the Sydney Opera style. And then it says take a similar photo. And then you just tap on the button and it takes your AI model. Again, you need to be upgraded to use it. Otherwise, it's not possible. There is no free trial, unfortunately. And then it will just start generating all of this. Takes some time, but usually it's not that much time, and you will receive notification as soon as the photo is ready. Then you have the notification, and then there you have it. So now you have photo here. Okay, so this one is kind of, I think it's one of the most close ones to what I had. I don't know if you generate more photos, your photos are becoming better. And then you can use this feature, which is called Fix and Enhance. So if you're not really happy with this photo, you can try to do this one, and then it will generate a bit of a better version. Which you go here, and then you can remove watermark, you can add watermark, you can remove watermark, because you are upgraded. And it will combine the idea from the photo, and then it will take an idea from your photos. which you use. So that's what you can use, and then you can delete, you can share, you can save it, or of course if you're upgraded, then you can see all the previous photos. If you don't like the photo, you can just tap to delete, and then that's how you delete the photo. So that's the idea. And then then there are different languages here, as you can see, which you can select. Then you can also delete your account if you wanna, and then you can just also explore this. So let's just try one more. So for example, as you can see, the same process. Then it's done. So as you can see, this is the time it took. And then there you have it. So here it's a bit different. So yeah, that's what it is. And yeah, these are the photos is generated. So yeah, that's basically the idea. The cool part, once you upgrade it, you can generate these filters unlimitedly, and that's fun. But yeah, this is a quite expensive subscription if you go for a weekly subscription. Of course, then you can just cancel it easily. And then you have your account, your ID. I don't know why you need your ID, maybe for some support. Again, the more different selfies you provide, the better. Ideally in different clothing, because this app will take your clothing as an idea. So I was in the hoodie, so here it recreates the exact hoodie. Then I was in the coat, it takes this kind of similar coat, and I was in a t-shirt, it takes this t-shirt. So if you wanna create a photo for your LinkedIn, for example, or CV or whatever, and you want that photo to be in suit, as I understand, you take the selfies in a suit, or you want to be in a white shirt, take the selfie in a white shirt. Then it will be easier for this AI algorithm to create all these different photos for you. If you don't have a selfie in a shirt, then you will need to really try many variations until the algorithm figures out yourself. And then when you created this AI model, I don't know if you can change it or how do you update it and all of that. So the model is created, it's done. Like, I don't think you can edit the model or just adjust it a bit or anything like that. So you just have it here, and that's the model, and that's like, I can't do anything. So since then you need just to delete your account and start all over. Also in the model, you can upload not just 8 selfies, you can upload up to like 20 plus, I guess. And again, like if you're aiming for more professional photo, take a selfie in a suit, take a selfie in a white shirt, blue shirt, with different backgrounds. But the clothing is really important here, because the algorithm usually just takes your clothing from the photo and adjusts this a bit. So if you want to be have a photo in a sweater, take a photo in the sweater. In a Christmas sweater, just do that. Then it will be just easier for you. Also, FOTORAMA won't accept selfies if you just have, if you in the same clothing and you literally take 3 selfies, it's just not gonna accept them to create the model. So the best way to quickly start with that, again, is just use different clothing. I know it's kind of seems too advanced, but this app is like that. In other apps, the moment you upgrade it, you can just upload like 8 like literally very bad quality same selfies, and it will work out, and then it will generate bad AI results. Here it aims for more quality, so that's that. Now, is FOTORAMA app actually better than Epic or anything? I tried some other apps, to generate this 90s AI yearbook selfie, and I need to say that, I don't know, like Epic photos seems to be more precise. I can even show you if I have those. Yeah, I just upgraded to some apps here. So no, there was like Photolab app. So here you can see in Photolab my face is actually quite like, of course, only like 0% of the photos you can use. Otherwise, there are a lot of bugs in the photos. But like that face features were quite similar, like quite close in Photolab app and also in Epic as well. So Epic produced quite a good quality and Photolab app as well. Like from all other apps, these are the two ones where I just uploaded like 8 random selfies, and the face gestures was like quite close, like in about like 5% of all photos. So I consider that as a success, because in a lot of AI portrait apps, you generate 50 selfies, you can use probably maximum 5. Usually it's like 1-2 photos you can use. All other are either have some glitch or just like, yeah, it just looks very weird. But I don't know, it just becomes better and better, and now some of the photos can really be usable somewhere. I don't see yet, like maybe this photo you can use some kind of on LinkedIn or whatever, but of course you see that this is still like AI generated. But yeah, that's what it is. So anyhow, hope that is helpful, and thanks for watching.